Welcome back to the penultimate 5-minute Fridays. Yes, you've guessed it, I am back in Talat Phlu. Today I'm bringing you down to show you an old school stall selling Kanom Bueng Yuan, otherwise known in Vietnam as Banh Xeo. Now this is one of the oldest stalls in Talat Phlu Market. I tried to come here a couple of weeks ago. It was closed. You asked me to come back. I've come back. We're on episode number 9, so there's only 2 left today and next Friday. As you can see, very, very busy stall. I don't even care if I don't like this. Just getting to see Grandma here smashing out, like, she must have done 20 in the last 5 minutes. The crowds are starting to gather. It's just a great experience. I don't actually remember eating one of these before. I've had Banh Xeo in Vietnam, which is what these are supposed to be. Obviously, it's a Thai take on that, so it's different. I will explain a little bit more when we sit down, but yeah, just seeing her in action is like a military style operation. She has got this down to a T. All right, so interestingly enough, we've got some sort of sweet sauce. Is this Vietnamese dipping sauce? Not sure, we'll try that out. And an ajat salad, which you'd usually find with satay and any sort of like Muslim mutterbacks and stuff like this. I guess this is kind of like a hybrid of a mutterback and a Banh Xeo. It's very crispy. All right, very crunchy. See, the ones in Vietnam are like folded over yellow pancakes, stuffed with like, usually with fat prawns and crispy pork, like mou crob. Well, that's how I've had them anyway. I'm no expert in Banh Xeo. It's very, very crispy, guys. All right. So, yeah, as you can see inside, we've got that mixture of bean sprouts, coconut, spring onions, and she smashed an egg in there as well. I thought there was going to be dried shrimp in here, but there's not. All right. So the first thing I can taste, as you would expect from that bright yellow batter, is turmeric, or cumin they call it here, confusingly. And the batter itself is very, very savoury. Very, very salty, which I like. The coconut inside is sweet though. Yeah, it's like sweet desiccated coconut. Interesting. You've got crunch from the bean sprouts. You've got some tofu in there. The egg, sort of giving it like a layer of richness. Now the ones in Vietnam, I'm sure are made with, and correct me if I'm wrong anyone, made with coconut milk in the batter. She told me this is just water. Let's put a bit of this ajat salad on. Right, here's where the 5 minutes goes wrong, where I've got to spend 5 minutes trying to get the elastic band off. Let's have a smell. Yeah, okay, so this is sugar, fish sauce. Yes, it smells like actually Vietnamese dipping sauce. Nuoc mam, is it? Don't kill me on that one, guys. I'm no expert on Vietnamese food, as you know. I can barely pronounce Thai words. Right, let's just pour that on. Chilies, onions, and cucumber, and that dipping sauce. All right, I'll try the ajat salad by itself. Yeah, it's like a traditional Vietnamese dipping sauce, but it's fish sauce, sugar, but vinegar instead of lime juice, which I guess is a cost-saving thing. It's like in Bangkok, you expect to get vinegar with stuff anyway. It's sweet, but it's quite sharp, so it should go very nicely with the pancake. It's very different to what I remember a Vietnamese ones to be like. But again, I've probably had 5 of them in my whole entire life, so I'm no expert. Yeah, it needed a little bit of sharpness. It's very salty. Now it's salty, sweet, sour. It's good. It's good. I probably prefer shrimp than this coconut, but still really nice. It's bordering on too sweet for me, but that's a top dish. More for just watching the sweet elderly couple in action, husband and wife team. She's been here 35 years. They've got to be in their late 70s, I'm guessing. 80s maybe even. I'd say 80s actually. Very, very good. Lovely to see. Obviously extremely popular in the area. I would probably combine this with some other food in the area, like there's the rice ball salad across the road. Yum Nem Khao Hard, which is really, really good. You grab this, grab that, go to Sunny. Just walk around and whatever you like the look of, grab it. Because Talat Phlu is full of delicious street food. All right, guys, that's it from me today. Hopefully I got it done in 5 minutes. If not, who cares? Thanks everyone that's been supporting me financially and by sharing and liking the videos. I love you all equally, and I will see you guys in the next one.